So hey guys, in this video I will discuss a question that is shortest unsorted continuous sub-array. So what you need to do is in this question that you need to find a sub-array. If I need to suppose to sort it down it, the whole array will be sorted. And you have to must remember that the whole sorted array should be in ascending order. And just return the length of the sorted array, that the sub-array that you need to be supposed to be sorted down. Okay, so as you can read here, given an integer array nums, the name of the array's nums, you need to find the one continuous sub-array such that only sort the sub-array non-descending order. Means you have to be sorted down the array in ascending order. Then the whole array will be sorted in non-descending order. Means if you sorted down the sub-array now, so your whole array will be sorted down. And then after this, return the length of the shortest sub-array. Okay, so let us start. For your convenience, I am just taking the example. Here what I have taken is nums of I is less than nums of I plus 1. What does it mean? The nums of I refer to the previous element of the array, whereas nums of I plus 1 is referring to the next element of the array. Similarly, you can also put the same condition here, that is nums of I minus 1 is less than nums of I. It means the previous element is less than the next element. Why I am doing this? Because I need to find the sorted subarray. For the sorted down, I have to put the elements in the ascending order. That's why I am putting down this condition. So, as you can see here, I have written int min equals to integer dot max value. Why I have taken the max value of the integer in place of the min? Because whenever you find the minimum value, I have already need to find the maximum value, because I have to be compare it down in the array, because if I already taken the min value at the place of the min, I have got already the integer min value all over in the array. That's why I have put the maximum value, so that in the array I got the minimum value. And let's next thing, if you see, I have taken the int n equals to nums dot n length. What does it mean? If I need to find the length of the array, I have written down in the variable. And here you can see it. What does it mean if n equal to 1 return 0? It means if our array has only one element, just return it down 0, because if I have given only one element, then you don't need to be sorted down here. That's why I have written down 0, because if you have only one element in the array, you don't need to be sorted down. Okay. After that, what I have done is for int I equal to 0, I less than n, comma I plus plus. What does it mean? I am just starting my element I from 0 till the length of the array in I plus plus, means incrementing the value. I am incrementing the value of the sub-array, or I am terracing the array. And I have put the condition. First of all, if you see here, what I have written in the else condition, that I have already told you here in the example, that if nums of I is less than nums of I plus 1 is the condition for C, an element to be sorted down. But if I put opposite sign, what does it referring to us? That our array is not sorted down, and what I need to do is simply sorting it down. For sorting it down, what I am doing is in Java, that is math class, math.main, what is me referring here? The minimum value from the minimum that I have already taken. The minimum, what I have taken the minimum value is integer.max value, and another value is nums of I. What you need to find is here min will store the minimum value from this. Suppose if I already take the maximum value here in the quotient, so what does it mean? That it will always put the minimum value here in this quotient, in this problem. That's why I have put it down the maximum value, so that the whole answer will return the minimum value from the array. That's why I have written this condition. Similarly for the max, I have written down the same. And although you just understand this, why I have put the greater sign here, because if I get the condition here, that our ideal condition is nums of I should be less than nums of I plus 1. But if I got the opposite sign, what does it referring us? There is some problem in the code, I need to be sorted down. That's why I have put it this sign. So, if you can see the boundary conditions, that is, if I equal to 0, what does it mean to? I am putting down the condition for the first element of the array. For that, there is no the next element. Means I'm just, if I want to put the condition, if nums of I for the starting element, that is nums of I should be less than nums of I plus 1. That is, there is no condition that is want to compare the elements. That's why I have put the condition that is nums of I is greater than nums of I plus 1. For that, I am doing the same condition that I have written here down in the else condition. For that, I equal to n minus 1. There is the go. What does I minus 1 is referring to? The last element, that is the size of the array, that is I minus 1, that is the last element. For that, there is no any further element. Let's just take the example. If I am putting down the elements, that is 1, 2, 3, 4, the I value is going from here to here, that is indexing will be 0, 1, 2, 3. Okay, that is the indexing will be go from 3, matlab 0 to 3, that is n minus 1, that is I minus 1. If I have gone to the last element of the array, I am not for the array. For that condition, what I need to do is I am just putting down the element here, means the condition I am putting down here. And similarly for the I equal to 0, there is not next element. Okay, so means the previous element is not referring to it. That's why I have put this condition. Another condition means I have written if and else the condition for the first and the last element, because the first element I have not the previous element, and for n minus 1 I have not the next element. That's why I have put it down in the another condition. Okay, after that what you can see is if minimum equal to integer dot max value, that if I got the minimum value is equal to the max value of the integer, or the maximum value equal to integer dot max value. This is are the boundation conditions that can also be referred. So for that condition return the 0, because if I already have the maximum value, so what I need to do is simply returning the 0. After that, what I have done in this condition, that is for in I equal to 0, I less than n in I plus plus, and the nums of I is less than equal to min. What does it mean to us? That let's just take an example. Just if I have the array that is suppose 1, 2, 3, 5. Okay, what I need to put is I need to find the value of the 4 here. So what I will do here is simply I need to find just the traverse array from the here to here, and I need to find the value of the I such that the nums of I, that is the value of the array, just the maximum of it. Okay, that's why I have put the same यहाँ पे condition. Okay, that is nums of I is less than equal to min. So just I will just put it down the value in the array. Similarly for the next element, I have written down this. I have written down this for finding the position of the last and the minimum value. That I need to the last and minimum value of the sub array. That is what I need to be supposed to be sorted down here. That's why I have taken the nums of I is less than equal to min. I hope आप लोगों को समझ आया होगा. Thank you.